All right, what's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Espresso Outlet, and today we are going to be showing you the second scale of the two scales that we have. So we have the pour-over video scale that I just posted, and then we also have this espresso scale. So it's a really nice small scale. So I'll just give it to you in comparison to something like the Akaya Lunar. So there is kind of the scales in comparison. So as you can see, it is even a smaller footprint than the Akaya. On the side, I would say depth is almost about the same, but as you see, the side is a bit different. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of show you how this one functions. We're going to show you the one mode. So there is in two modes. So there's M1 and there's an M2. The M1 is for pour over. It almost acts just like the other one. We'll show it in another video. But this one is we're going to be using the espresso mode. So we're going to go ahead and turn this scale on. And I'm just going to put it right here so that way it is viewable. So what we're going to do, so right now you're not seeing display anything besides zeros and grams and then the sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to double tap and you're going to see M1 show up. That is for the pour over. And M2 is for the espresso. So basically how this works is you're going to, let's just say this is your cup. It's going to take it. It's going to auto-tare it. And then now once it starts to, the liquid starts to fill the cup, the timer will start. And then we'll show you at the end just pretty much how everything works. So we're just going to go ahead and clear this. Going to go back to M2 here. Okay. So we already have the coffee pre-grounded. We're just going to kind of give you a little workflow here. So the coffee we are using is from Good Brothers. It is their cinnamon roll. So tasting notes of churros, cinnamon roll, and chocolate. Definitely a must try. It's very, very delicious. So here we go. Just get a nice puck prep. Doesn't have to be anything special. It's really not the point of the video. Just nice and quick here. All right, so you got your nice puck prep. We're gonna lock it in. And I'm gonna take you down here in a second. So essentially you're gonna place your scale on the tray like so. And actually I'll just keep it right here just so you can see as the machine is pulling the shot, you can also see how it works. All right, so we'll go ahead and put this underneath. And once that tears, no need to hurry because it obviously is going to do it once it detects liquid. Now, one thing I can say is if you are one that times your shot as soon as you actuate the paddle or the machine to start pulling the shot, you might want to have a separate timer because this doesn't start until it hits first drop. So here we go. Go ahead and stop it there. So you're going to notice that the timer did stop at 22 seconds and you're at 36.7. So nice thing is it tells you exactly when the shot stopped, the grams, and then you can kind of just take it off and go ahead and try it. So it will reset once you remove it from the actual cup. So let's give it a try here. All right, so this is our new Turin Espresso Scale. Like I said, there's two functions. There's M1, M2, or just normal mode. if you were to just go pretty much without either or. So as you see, double tap M1, double tap M2, double tap, gone. So now you would just press and hold, and it turns it off. It is a USB-C. It's got a nice little covering here just so it doesn't get water inside of it. And then it's very easy to place back in. And it does also come with this nice square protective silicone encasement. So that way it kind of protects the sides for when it's going. And it's also got these nice little rubber silicone pads on the bottom just to prevent any kind of vibrations and to keep it nice and level. So this is the new Turin Espresso Scale. Can also be used for pour over, but we also have a pour over as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.